Hey guys, back at you again doing a little video today. We just not got it in the mail. Well, the postal service, we got our Kicker 800 watt amp, and this is the 1600 max, but the RMS is actually 800 watts. And in this kit you get your amplifier, your wiring kit, and your remote. And with this amp, it was on Amazon, it was $269.99 plus tax $19.57. That brought me out to $289.56. And I got the 3-year protection plan, which was $36.99, and that brought me to $326.55. Gonna let that sit right there. And with your wiring kit, let me show you guys how that looks up close a little bit. You get your wires and your fuse for your battery, and this is some of the stuff it has in it. You guys can read that. That's everything you need to have to hook your wires up, from your battery to your amplifier to your ground wires. It even has speaker wires. And I was amazed when I first got this amp, because this is what I'm gonna be, this speaker right here, this is the Scar, and this is the 2000 watt, but it's 1000 watts RMS, and that's what we're gonna be trying to push with this small amp right here. So we're not talking about the speaker right now, because I got another video talking about that. And with this, just like I say, you get your wiring and you get your bass knob. That looks pretty cool. Let's see what that looks like. And when I get done with all this, on my next video, I'm gonna have everything hooked up. This is just the unboxing. This is what your bass knob looks like, and this is what the wire looks like that connects to your bass knob. Let's see how this bass knob looks if we open this up. And your bass knob looks like that. That looks pretty cool, pretty smooth. And just the back side of it, I guess it sits like this. You turn it like that, and that feels pretty good, guys. So we're gonna put this back in here, and we're gonna get this little baby out of here. Let's see how it comes up. Okay, you get this right here. Okay, model number. Okay, about the size of your hand. Wow. And let's try to move this speaker out the way, and let's open this baby up. Oh, taped up pretty good. Can you guys believe this little amp is gonna push that much? 800 watts. That is very nice. I like the texture of it and the feel of it. This is your outputs, inputs, gain. Okay, bass boost, remote. Looks pretty good. Lows and highs. What the side looks like. And this is where your ground, remote, and 12-volt battery goes. And this is your speakers. And these are Phillips head screwdrivers. And these are Allen wrenches. So that's what that looks like, guys. And on my next video, we're going to have everything hooked up. And that's how that looks on the bottom. And this is what we're going to be running. So we're going to be pushing this 1000-watt speaker with this little baby right here. And on the next video, we're going to show you guys what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Like and subscribe.